everybody, welcome back to Sam's Place. And we have I have my little brother Ryder here. And we're gonna open Thomas and Friends minis.
Theron's gonna open his first.
See, I'm easy at opening these. If you just open this out. And I have Spencer. Yay! I have Spencer.
Spencer. Is he a diesel or a steam?
He's a steam.
Oh, okay.
Because he's a train. Well, he's kind of naughty, but he's a train.
Oh, okay.
So I have Spencer right here.
All right, and Ryder's turn to open one.
Millie, Edward.
Here.
Ah! Oh my gosh! It's Diesel 10.
Diesel 10.
It's Diesel 10 again. We have Diesel 10 again.
So here Theron got Spencer.
And Ryder has Diesel 10 again.
Ryder has Diesel 10. And we got these where? From where?
From, I don't know where it's from.
We got them from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, from the Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
Okay, big guy.
So I have Spencer. Look, I found Spencer.
There's one.
So what do I have in here? I'm gonna put it down for, oh my gosh, it is, James.
Are you sure?
That's the dinosaur truck James.
Dinosaur truck James. That's so cool.
Yes.
Okay, put it down by Spencer and Diesel 10.
Well, what did
Awesome. He has dinosaur bones on him.
Yeah, James. And he has a dinosaur. He has two dinosaur bone mouths.
Awesome.
I got dinosaur bone.
All right, we have one more.
Let's
Ryder's turn.
I want to get some more minis. Get some more of these minis. It's Millie.
Millie. We haven't had a Millie before. Is Millie?
It is Millie.
Is Millie a girl or a boy?
A girl.
A girl train. Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
So
There's
here's
a couple
our little minis, our Thomas minis. We have Millie.
Diesel 10.
Who's that?
Diesel 10.
And
Spencer.
and
Dinosaur Bone James.
awesome. Yeah, these are at the Dollar Tree. Sometimes you can find these cool things if they get overstocked from different stores. They go to the Dollar Tree, and we always find these cool little treasures at our Dollar Tree. So
It's Spencer's horn. Spencer doesn't have horn anywhere. Spencer doesn't have a horn anywhere.
cool.
Thank you for watching. I hope you like to watch and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Hey. Hey guys, see what you're doing here. I'm just trying to go. Hey, get back here. I'm trying to find a way to couple Spencer.